these older situations here that we're at, you'll have repairs that are needed. This is the process here that we're showing you how we do our hardwood floor repairs. During the process of the hardwood floor repair, one of the important aspects of this is to find the proper wood for your floor. They come in different lengths and different widths. This is the finished repair that we were starting a little while ago. Here you can see the new boards, how we weaved in here. These are the new boards here. Here, you can see how we weave it in here to make it natural. It's kind of seamless. You can see a little different in shading right now in the different colors of the wood. The previous wood being aged, which is a red oak. We put another red oak in here, but it's a more freshly cut piece of hardwood flooring, so you're going to see a little bit of difference. But what we'll do is, when we do the staining process, we'll stain it, and if we have shading variations, we'll restain the new pieces at a different pigment than the old floor, the existing floor. So we'll get a nice blend here. For all your hardwood floor repair and refinishing needs, call Service Doctor 1-888-588-5655.